guys, and welcome back to our channel. We are at the allotment. It's the day after Storm Eunice. Still a little bit windy, but we've come down to assess the damage. I'm a bit nervous because I keep seeing pictures of people's, oh, that's all come down. People's greenhouses with windows missing and stuff, so we've come to have a look. So the polytunnel is still standing, so that's a good thing. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, it's let's have a look. This has all come undone, but can you help me just undo? I think it looks alright. Yeah. I mean, yeah, all that's come over, which is probably where it's just been moving, because these shells were tied to the edge. I mean, if that's the worst of it, yeah, we're sort of happy with that. Right, let's have a little shed still up. This other thing's still up. Huh. So this plot is all okay. Let's go and look at the other one, which has got the greenhouse on, which is what I'm concerned about. We're just looking at this greenhouse, and it's all, this isn't ours, it's all bent with broken glass, so I'm really nervous. I don't really want to go to the other one. I might just stay on this one and pretend everything's okay. There's another, oh, I don't think there's a bit of structure of something there. That one over there is all bent. Oh, okay, let's go. I'm actually really quite nervous because the plot next to the other plot, it's got a trampoline as well, and I'm guessing it wasn't tied down, so I'm hoping that it hasn't flown over and hit our greenhouse. But I can see the greenhouse, it's still where it should be, so let's hope that it's all okay. Okay, well, my arches are still standing. That's my cheap Amazon things, they're still up. Handy. Okay, well the the trampoline. Where's the trampoline? It's not there. Oh, it's up the end. Behind there. Trampoline's normally there. Is it all okay? Oh, I'm so relieved. Oh, there you go, Mum. That's the worst in this one. That's come off. And someone's dug up something's dug up a shallot. Oh, and this is a bit all over the place, but again, we'll take that. Oh, thank goodness for that. That's the worst. That's the worst of it. There's the, see, that could have hit.
That could have rolled through the whole lot of them.
That could have taken out everything, but luckily, I mean, how it's gone up there, I do not know. Has it gone over the shed, do you think?
Against the wind.
Or has it gone through that gap there? Well, no, and they might have moved it and tied it there. Maybe. So what I'm going to do is, just any sort of loose bits, these were blowing around, I'm just going to put them in the greenhouse. Because we are still due we're still on a yellow weather warning for wind, so I'm just going to move them in here and hope that it continues to stay safe. Are we affecting how the greenhouse was staying together?
No.
just a short video today, luckily, because it was going to be a sort of tidying up the plot and stuff, but luckily there wasn't too much to do. We've just moved some of the stuff and put it inside so it doesn't blow away. Got a couple of Swedes to go in soup for lunch, and hopefully it's not gonna, that's as bad as it's gonna get. As I say, it's supposed to be 50-mile-an-hour winds still until Monday with a yellow warning we've got, but hopefully if we've survived the worst, then we'll still be alright for that. So I hope all your plots were okay and didn't have too much damage, and I'll see you all in the next one.